Welcome, today I'm in Alfa Romeo Giulia and I will show you how we can connect Android smartphone with this car. So at the first we have to take a look on our smartphone and we have to simply enable the Bluetooth settings. So we can make it by going to the notification panel and then tapping on this switcher in the right corner to enable Bluetooth. Next we have to go for our screen in car. So we have to scroll to the settings. Next we have to scroll down one more time and we have to go for infotainment. Then you go for the Bluetooth and click to add device. As you can see right now we have to take a look on our Android smartphone and just take a look on the available devices list. You can refresh also to get new devices. And we are looking for Alpha Connect. As you can see, it's right here. So tap once on Alpha Connect. When you get this notification, you have to click pair and then just do the same on your screen and car. As you can see, after a few moments we are connected and in front of us we have a notification that the phone is ready. So yeah, that's how we can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.